Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to buy your first Bitcoin. If you've ever wanted to invest in Bitcoin but felt overwhelmed by the process, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know, from setting up a secure wallet to choosing the right exchange and making your first purchase. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the world of crypto with confidence. Stay tuned, and by the end, you'll be ready to own your first Bitcoin. Don't forget to subscribe. Number 1. Secure your Bitcoin. Buying Bitcoin is just the first step. Keeping it safe is crucial. Leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange can be risky, because these platforms are prime targets for hackers. The best way to protect your investment is by transferring your Bitcoin to a private wallet. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and offer easy access, making them great for frequent transactions. However, they are more vulnerable to cyber threats. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline storage options like hardware wallets or paper wallets. These are much safer because they are not exposed to online risks. To transfer your Bitcoin, go to your exchange, select Withdraw, enter your wallet address, and confirm the transaction. Always double-check the wallet address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. For extra security, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your wallet, create strong passwords, and never share your private keys. Keeping a backup of your recovery phrase in a secure location ensures you can recover your Bitcoin if needed. By securing your Bitcoin properly, you take full control of your investment and reduce the risk of losing it to cyber threats. Number 2. Buy Bitcoin. Once your account is funded, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Head to the trading section of your exchange and search for Bitcoin BTC. You'll see options to buy at market price or set a limit order. A market order buys Bitcoin instantly at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a price and buy when it reaches that level. If you're a beginner, a market order is the easiest option. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can specify an amount in your local currency, egg $100 worth of BTC, or choose a specific amount of Bitcoin, egg 0.002 BTC. Double-check the transaction details, including any fees, before confirming the purchase. After confirmation, the Bitcoin will appear at your exchange wallet within minutes. You now officially own Bitcoin. However, keeping it in an exchange wallet isn't the safest option. In the next step, you'll learn how to protect your Bitcoin by transferring it to a secure wallet. Number 3. Add funds. Before purchasing Bitcoin, you need to deposit money into your exchange account. Most platforms offer multiple funding options, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and even PayPal or other e-wallets. Bank transfers are often the most cost-effective, but may take longer to process. Credit and debit cards provide instant deposits, but might include higher fees. Some exchanges also support peer-to-peer, P2P, transactions, allowing you to buy Bitcoin directly from other users using various payment methods. When using P2P, ensure the platform has an escrow service to protect your funds until the transaction is completed. Always double-check deposit limits and fees before transferring funds. Some exchanges have minimum deposit requirements, and fees vary based on the payment method. Additionally, be mindful of hidden costs, such as currency conversion fees, if depositing in a different currency. Once your funds are available, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin. Keep in mind that depositing money into your exchange account doesn't automatically mean you own Bitcoin. You'll still need to execute a purchase order, which will be covered in the next step. By understanding these funding options, you can choose the best method that fits your budget and minimizes extra costs. Number 4. Create and verify your account. Before buying Bitcoin, you need to create an account on your chosen crypto exchange. Start by signing up with your email and setting a strong password. Some platforms may also ask for a phone number for added security. Once your account is created, the next step is verification. Most exchanges require Know Your Customer, KYC, verification to comply with regulations. This process helps prevent fraud and ensures a secure trading environment. You'll need to provide a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Some exchanges might also ask for a selfie or proof of address, like a utility bill. The verification process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the platform. Some exchanges offer instant verification, while others may take longer. It's important to complete this step, as you won't be able to deposit funds or trade without it. After verification, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra security. This adds another layer of protection to your account, requiring a one-time code from an authentication app or SMS every time you log in. With your account set up and verified, you're now ready to add funds and buy Bitcoin safely. Number 5. Choose a crypto exchange. The first step in buying Bitcoin is selecting a reliable crypto exchange. This is where you'll purchase, sell, and manage your Bitcoin. Since not all exchanges are the same, it's crucial to pick one that is secure, easy to use, and offers low fees. Popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken provide a beginner-friendly experience. Before signing up, check if the exchange supports your country and preferred payment methods. Some platforms offer bank transfers, debit/credit cards, and even PayPal for deposits. Security should be your top priority. Look for exchanges with strong encryption, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and a solid reputation in the crypto community. Reading user reviews and researching the exchange's history can help you avoid scams or unreliable platforms. Another key factor is fees. Some exchanges charge high transaction fees, while others have hidden costs for deposits and withdrawals. Compare different platforms to find one with reasonable rates that fit your budget. Lastly, check the exchange's ease of use. A simple, intuitive interface will make it easier for you to buy Bitcoin without confusion. Some platforms also provide mobile apps, allowing you to trade on the go. Choosing the right exchange is the foundation of your Bitcoin journey, so take your time and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. I hope this step-by-step guide made buying your first Bitcoin easy and clear. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments and share it with others. Stay tuned for more guides on crypto and investing. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.